yeah, you might have seen by the intro little clips of the desk so far, but I'm going to give you a more in detailed tour. I got this Christmas tree about 2 feet tall. It's got acorns on it. Just got this magnet from camping at Wickham Park, which was like, I think yesterday. Just got that one. We made these a bit ago, gingerbread cookies, or cinnamon cookies. Then we got acorns on them. It's a nice little small Christmas tree. Got my computer, where I think I've done a desk setup before. That I've always had my computer, but just moved it into here because change it up because I've been working in the living room. I like working in here now. And got a candle too. Cinnamon, 3 wicks. Pine tree. I think like make sure it's about half the distance, because those catch on fire really easily. My brother's PS4. Stuff that we never used. Actually, before I filmed this video, it was so dusty because I've never cleaned it in a very, very long time. I think I cleaned it once before since we bought it, and I think this was like a long, long time ago. Got my school book, little cabinet full of like pencils and papers and decorations from like my normal decorations I put on here for not Christmas time. Supposed to be a nice little relaxing short video, but I'll post more frequently instead of every 3 weeks, but I post whenever I have an idea. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye.